pumpkin French toast, baby. Let's get it. Let's mix things up. So here's your ingredients. Blam. I'm just playing. Go ahead and pause it right here. Get your ingredients together. And while you got this pause, don't forget to follow us for more of these pumpkin recipes. Let's go. So first, you want to put 4 eggs and your milk in a large bowl. Don't forget your pumpkin puree. Some brown sugar goes in there nice. Some cinnamon, your nutmeg, just a pinch of salt, guys, and your vanilla extract. Take your whisk and give it an old stir. So do this until it's nice and smooth, and then set the bowl aside. You can use any kind of bread you want. So once the pan is warm, spread a couple tablespoons of butter in the pan and dip the bread into the mixture on both sides. Do it quickly because the bread will soak it up pretty fast. And place them on your cooking surface. Usually these take about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, but do it until they're golden brown and repeat until you've finished all that you have to make. So after you hit that follow button, we're going to stack a few slices on top of each other, add a little bit of butter, maple syrup, or honey, and sprinkle some powdered sugar on top. Voila, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed cooking with us. Don't forget to like, comment, and share if you like this recipe. Tag us in your video at 614 Club Official with how your pumpkin French toast turned out for a chance to be featured on our channel. That's how we make